Hey guys, welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel and another video. And in this video I have the Balrog Classic Series by Weta Workshop, and I've been waiting for to get a Balrog for a long time, and this was my chance to get the Balrog. And I hope you guys enjoyed this because I've been looking forward to this for a long time. Let's open right up right out of the box, just in mail just the other day. I like the Balrog. He's a cool character in the movies. He really is. There we go. There we go. No, this wouldn't be 1/6, but it is the, one sec here. Move this over for a second here to the middle. Now I'll show you the art box. As you can see, there's the Balrog. In the Mines of Moria. Pretty cool. And just seeing if they had that. Oh yes, they do. Yep. So this is the front here. And you can see here, open the flap, and it gives you the readout and everything of the Balrog, where he comes from, and how it's made, like behind the scenes at Weta Workshop, about the Classic Series. I'll show you again here. You see like the mold, how they make it and everything, and the write-up of the Balrog. Pretty cool. And you can see it's magnetized. So let's pull this out of the box. Really excited about this one. Side for a quick second. Go. And that's the top. That. Perfect. Alrighty then. Right over there. And I'm gonna put that in there. Just move this over here and this back here. And very carefully. Ooh, this is really cool, you guys. I love this. Beautiful. And just very carefully, just use gravity to, ay. I don't know where to grab because there's a few fragment pieces points on here. Just don't want anything to break here. I really don't know where to grab, because I don't want to break his, just be careful when you oh. There we go. Just grab the base if you can. There we go, we got it. Just grab the base if you can when you're taking this out, because there is a lot of breakable points on this. And this is sculpted, just do this very carefully, by Victor Gully. We'll put this down very carefully. And let's do an overview. This is really, really cool though, guys. This is really, really nice. And then there's, yeah, a few styrofoam pieces there. Well, he's on like the mountaintop and everything. Well, if you give you, pardon me, a few close-ups in like a couple minutes here, just want to do an overview. This is really, really well done. I like the flame on his back here, like his mane / flame. And then I like how they took the flaming whip and wrapped it around him. This is really, really cool. I really like this. Yeah, a lot. And then the scaling on this, really well done. And yeah, no, I'm very impressed with this one. I'm really digging this one. So yeah, no, since this overview is done, I'm gonna grab my camera and show you some close-ups of this. This is really well done. And his, like where he's opening his mouth, and wow, like this is really, really cool, guys. Yeah, no, I can't say this is cool enough. Like, really well done, Weta. I really like the flame on his back and the flame on his whip. And yeah, no, let's show you guys some close-ups now. This is really well done. Okay, yeah, let's do that. Yeah, so here we go. I'll show you the portrait first. As you can see what I was talking about, this is really well done. And you can see way back up in his mouth there, the white part, but just the way it's so cool. I absolutely love this. A lot of people don't like the pose, but you know what? This really complements the pose. It's okay, not the greatest, but he's on the mountaintop. So I'm really digging this one. And you can see his flaming whip around him. Really cool. And you can see what I mean here. Look at his skin. That is so cool. I absolutely love this. And you can see on the back, his flaming whip goes all the way around him. But you can see what I mean, like the scaling of him. And then his flame on his back, where it goes light to dark, which I am really digging this one. So cool, and this is awesome. I love it. And then you can see his wings wrapped around him, and then you can see his hand holding his his whip, flaming whip. Yeah, no, this is a real cool piece. And then you can see his other wing curled up here. And then his other hand resting him on the mountaintop. This is such a cool piece. And like I just can't say awesome enough. And then you can see his flame on his back again. So cool. This is just awesome. I love it. like I said in the beginning, this is the 20th anniversary. Love all the details of the flames poking up. So cool. There's the skin again on this side. There you go. Look at that portrait. That is just badass. So cool. Show you all the way around his flaming whip here. And you can see his base with the classic map on it. And then him upon the mountaintop. I just really love this portrait. It is really, really cool. Yeah. Weta, thank you so much for doing this one. I am in love with this piece. Really, I am. This is so cool. I've always, like I said before, I've always wanted to get a Balrog in a statue. And now I have one. The other one is really tough to find. I'm glad I got this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the Classic Series Balrog. Comment down below what you guys thought of it. Like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you guys in the upcoming video.